Hello guys, Steve JRXT, and today I'm out with the Mini JRXT Team Losi Beauty. We're gonna give it a run. It's brutal out here. Let's see what this beauty could do on this sand here that been rained on last night, but the sun's so strong it baked it hard, I think. Oh. This is brushless. Oh! The sun is so bright, it's burning me. Let me try a little more gyro effect. I have a gyro in here. Hold this sucker straight. This thing's a little demon. Oh, I lost it. Oh, wheelie time. Thing's crazy. Jeez, I gotta get in the shade. I'm dying. This thing's quick as hell. Oh. This little thing's got some, you know what, cojones. I think I'm running it on a 2S 1000 milliamp battery pack. I think the stock one is only 650. I'm gonna get me in the shade over here and I'll run it. Nice way to cover yourself, Steve, with the sand. It's pretty quick, watch. Look at it go. Oh, nice stunt. That's the freaking ball field center mound thing. Now here's the speed of it. Oh. Did some tricks. I got that punch on it, but really too soft. Thing's a little speed demon. Go in the grass? Sure it does. Brushless cow. Oh! I got hit over there. Oh, look at that stunt. That'll never happen 2 times in a row. Oi! I forgot just how fast these little suckers are at the brushless motors. I think this was like a $35 setup too. Oh! I nailed it. Thing's probably burning up too. See, I got the gyro in it. When I turn out, the wheels turn. Yeah, I got too soft of a start up on this. Yeah, you have to keep it on a little bit before I'll have to switch that. So look at it when I go home. Why is my steering not working? Uh-oh. That could be why, guys. Pop goes the weasel. Where does this go? Let's see if I can get it back on. I think I got it. I have to leave the throttle on. If I let all the way off, it starts up so soft it don't even go. It's getting slow. What a great little truck this thing handles. No awesome, guys. I'm freaking burning up, guys. Today's not a good day. The sun is like so bright. I bet you the UV rating's high today. Alright, enough with this thing. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little beauty. I thought I'd get it out. I haven't tried it in a while. These are great little trucks if you don't have one. The buggy's awesome too. They handle like the 1/10 scale versions. They're really good, the suspension. So, if you like it, go out and get one if you could still find one. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Now I have to go home and do the clean job. Please sub, like, do all the good stuff. And I'll see you next time. Burn in the sand or jump in the grass, roots, whatever you name it, run in the rock with the RC. Later, guys. See if she goes in the grass. Oh, yeah. She does. Going into the other field out there. Oh! Thing moves. Alright, guys, I'll see you later.